Cyclamen Europaeum, elements from the suppressed grief and terrors of concise, or from duty which was not done, or if he or she has committed any bad act. Cyclamen is predominantly a female remedy. Constitution: it is best suited for leukophlegmatic persons with anemic conditions, easily fatigued, and in consequences not inclined to any kind of labor. Feeble or suspended functions of organs or of spatial senses like olfaction, nose, vision, taste, hearing. Mind: great sadness and peevishness, irritable, morose and ill-humored persons, inclined to weep, they desire for solitude, and there is aversion to open air, disinclined to any kind of labor or work which makes them easily fatigued, great lassitude, especially in evening. Generalities: pains, pressive, drawing or tearing of parts where bones lie near the skin. In cyclamen, there is typical aversion for bread, butter, meat, fat, beer, and the ordinary food. And there is an erratic craving for some indigestible things, what we call as a pica. Cyclamen is worse by rest and better by walking, and worse at night. Headache in anemic persons with flickering before eyes and dim vision in morning. Migraine with flickering before eyes. Congestion of the blood towards head. Increased sensation of heat in head, ears and hearing. Diminution of hearing as if ears are stopped, as if ears were stopped by the plugs. Nose: diminution of smell. Fluent coryza with sneezing in morning. Eyes and vision: flickering before eyes, before eyes as of various colors, or vision of glittering needles, dim vision as if looking through the fog or smoke, double vision, that is Diplopia, Strabismus, Ambylopia, Diplopia and Hemianopia. Ailm has described that her sight is so weak she do not dare to walk alone. It's cyclamen. Disturbance of vision with gastric disorders. Mouth and throat: the tonsils and palate are shriveled and white coated. This is a great drug for tonsillitis and diphtheria. There is salivation in the mouth and every food tastes salty. Pork disagrees. Stomach and abdomen: satiety after every few mouthfuls. Food then become repugnant, which causes nausea in the throat and palate. There is salivation and all food tastes salty, and the pork is disagreed in cyclamen. Discharge of blood from the rectum. Hemoptysis, vomiting of blood. The female reproductive system: menses are too early and too profuse in cyclamen. They are black and clotted and membranous, but she feels better during the flow. Catamnia, which is too profuse and too frequent. It is profuse, black and clotted with labor-like pains. Pale chlorotic deranged menses is characteristic of cyclamen, accompanied by dim vision, vertigo and headache. Cyclamen is a great remedy for hiccups during pregnancy. Menstrual flow is worse when sitting. The menstrual flow is profuse while at rest. Pulsatilla has got an opposite modality. Male sexual system, the prepuce feels sore on rubbing. Prostatic troubles with stitches and pressure urging to stool and maturation. Musculoskeletal system, burning sore pain in heels when sitting, when standing and when walking in open air. That is what we call it as a calcaneal spur. Pains as if excoriation of toes when walking. Soreness of heels. The soreness is seemed to be in the bones of heels and become worse on sitting and standing but not noticed by walking. Cyclamen is also a great remedy for gout. Skin, itching of the skin all over the body is cyclamen, especially when seated, darting and insupportable itching in the evening and in the bed. Aggravation, open air, cold water, cold bathing. Menses are aggravated by sitting or lying down and at night. Amelioration, in warm room, indoors, menses are better by walking. That's all about cyclamen. Please keep watching Homeopathy in 2 minutes for students. Thank you.